Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold 𝐧𝐴 quality mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Menu aba ne nyum ne say adom the essence of my existence eye onyankopon adom enti no enuanom ne adofo yedo twede ampansi yedo ba ade ase yedo batampa ase sanope nso wadom ye enkwa na yetumi enya ahoden ya sorry efri yempemu abedu efidie ya na ampa eye adom bi ne kura yen yebeda na se afenso yebeda etiefo nyina nso asese abribia mutu anamon mote Bwf Solicitors 𝐚𝐭 na mu de mreketuo na mato ayo GN radio dwumedi ayato ni den se legal hour na legal matters na yeni Bwf Solicitors for edi nkita hono na moto ahyen yeda mo asinyame nhyiramum na enenso emre no sa asen du misramum adofo ne ebe ne se mombo modia ba so a medi ayatuni den se Bwf Solicitors legal hour with GN radio no emrena so ene yebe kika ensem bi a ehia papa because ye de yenim se ye koye be se police gina wo to ye bibi na wo de wasem ko nyaka police fo nsem a na dia brofo ato ne say criminality ana criminal offense no udie unim se bi account ebi nkan wo na se bi kan so a ebe ye den so aso be na beba e wo saade no ho abra opese unan etintim wo krom ha na che se opese ogi British citizenship a kwan ben na saade no ebedi ohwam enti o se yehu na yetu ho anamon enye no nkwa omo a bibi kakra o se okoye we ye ka ne sen saade kra o ko declare ho Dr. Ran o declare ho se uniska your friend is bankruptcy aha saa nyoma no nso ebi mu omo ndwene hu ye oye ya ohwe na akaka no pe o se me ko declare me ho bankruptcy minisika me de beye enokra nso wo so saa nso na wodi eka etwa ho ahia wodi obia ka wo krom ha eno nso esunsanso ben na wo so a abra onan etintim a opese wogi British citizenship because dodo na botai ne say wenya ne indefinite no watene mu kakra no obenya citizenship na ono nso yesi book kokko sisi akrampo anya book kokko asabe ye book blue and a book tuntum enti no but dodo na minim say mo aim say mo nso mo beye British citizen e beye amakwantuo mo nante mo koba nyina e beye ebedwodwo amamo ene yiyu nsem yiyu fo adwane ba kurom ha nyina obetine mo ana dependence for ni ye kan say family we ni nyina no opese wonya wo so beye British citizen kwan ben ena saa nwoma nkitinkiti a twitwa ya nemu abre utwa lorry kwemu wo nhwa na se wo kaka na insurance ni hu wo kaka unye we moti na no awatam county license na police ejina saa criminal nkitinkiti saa nwoma ni nyina sen ena ebe haye sen ebe haye abra ye pese ye British citizen ene yenya ye papa Uncle Ben Uncle Ben yete ngache yenya na ene na oni ye eba bedi enkomopa nkomo emu hwam saa ade obekyerekye mu nyina na yetu ho na montem se ne ebe ya wo kwa akotoka bi no obe kai hu say meye me insurance meye me license I will be qualified before I set off to get that car and I say metna sa wheel nechi na ankoba ne say obe committee offense ewo eno so and I say o gigi credit card wo koye bankruptcy wo koye those kind of things ni nyina obe dwene ho ansa ene Uncle Ben wo fia ha enti ye kwa ma ne so ye mreko yenche. A very good morning to you, Uncle Ben. And our so.
Oh, good morning, my T. No more to say.
I don't know actually. Ye papa.
Yeah, the Yamia say. Yeah, the Yamia say. Michiamu yina.
Ye Joso, yensu ye Joso. Na kwa ukwe di me say hey. Ye the Yamia say ono wa kwa asumdwemu ono wa ba asumdwemu se ne tibia yensa account na and then so say ne no ba bi di sa nkomo na we be se kwan so
But budget ye the Yamia say to say na wo kan no kwan so boko sabe ye tia na chi kakra. I'm say Juma no ya na I was so ujiwa home kakra na what me a refresh it na we recoup na what me ato adwuma no so ti nyame de akwa aba me hu say mo hwe ye chi nso kama titiri wo ane wapamfo adwuma ye for GN radio modi adwuma kese pa ya dawase seda kese no nso ko yenuanom na atiefo ayo mo hwe yen ti yen almost ye do mo nyina se ade ache yen de na nyame de yen kwa ache yen ti de nyame ase kese na se wo ma yen kwa ti manya ti anopai de na bibia eda boko nyame adaromenti
yo Uncle Ben yen se da se ne ma wa kwa ba
me da ase
yo yemre konti entwintwan so Uncle Ben yen hye yedwumedi ase tie for misrem Facebook for ye checha obi bia wa join ne mumma ye na mesne nkosoro kakra ma ye mon share if you click the sharing button no ebebo obi o nsem we ebebo obi pa me a mitumi sha kodu countries bi crowd mo se Ghana ni bi ni ho so obeti enti mon share na enko echichi because ebeboa obi a bebo bia enti no ye koso Uncle Ben yo we de ye ntwintwan so ne atie ne se de bia ye ka se obi peso ye citizen wo kromu ha peso ye citizen wo kromu ha na ye di bibi abet bantine ho say ye see good character nso de accidents wo ho nyoma nkitinkiti bia na enya obuta nso no na abefa wa kwemu ntie ne ye be ma ho kwan na wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu no wa kyerɛ ye kwan a sa good character na ebedi ye hwa anase beboa ye ewo abra ye pese ye British citizen ntino me de memre no ma mpacho kyerɛkyerɛ mu
yo na manye I'm say Osha topic here, usually with Bwf Solicitors, no. I hear idea high adrenaline, your community, no. And I say, be high adrenaline. Ain't your so your business, I'll make us a forecast. and I see a foreknowledge, and the lawyers back say foreknowledge. And I would buy a can casema, yes, a ball coco, Senabaya, time be now and cochero. The entire day, topic about here, I'm say, bear 1 month in a Richard, a treaty topic. Now there's an aspect, or more the buy bear 1 month, well, bear last week. New guidance notes, Now, I EU4 no be brave. And into the topic here, and my main treaty EU4 the and some of my father general topic of character and our criminal conduct.
Okay.
First of all, I'm say over here your law now. Yeah, it will be a friend of British Nationality Act. Your section 6.1 is 6.1, and there was 6.11, and there was 6.2. And section 6.1 no aye omo tena kromo aye British citizenship omo yere ana omo kumo anya British ana 6.2 no aye omo kumo ye British. Nti 6.1 no ohia na wo se watena kromo ha. The definition of sa part na me pese ye the emphasis to no so watena ha 5 years lawfully, because her definition na you need definition for conduct, and as a bad conduct, our nationality act in him. But law no, I can't what's not lawfully, and good conduct. I want to EU4 no since last year. You did lobby by a friend of EUSS, and I say Appendix EU, the immigration rules no. Now, Appendix EU, more European nationals, Mobusia 4, Moyeremo Mukum, Moma, Mompana, Monio Matana, Oma me papa, Waja, Wafase, Wafa, Wanana, Wanana, Omunina, Yankrofoa, Multimedia Mobaha. Nasa EUSS, no, ye free European Union, British for through the withdrawal agreement, Omni European. Almost see a pam asa adeno matintim krata no ema ho kwan se Europe 4 ni omabusuan 4 omutimi application and then obehu a ye de app aye and aye no computer so na internet so no now we have EUSS na we have requirements na either Appendix EU and also Appendix EU family permit no ni nyina no emphasis aye residence. Now, over your old style EU regulation, your friend 2016 EU regulation, no. The emphasis I had the Bema was no, I exercise treaty right. Now, treaty right, no, over definition of treaty right, both under Regulation 5 and Regulation 6, no. It define it, it be a juma, it be a self-employed. Ebi ase wuko school with CIS, a friend of comprehensive medical insurance. Ebi a self-sufficient person to wa wenye adwuma wa wunko school. Nemo we obi a sabe wo si wo so a wo sika wudi. Eno nso wo hia CSI no, a comprehensive medical insurance no. Anase EHI, a European insurance, and also a card. Ubetimi use. I hold on problems. Now, may explaining later. Mr. EU4 no mutian here because 1 year came. And to be more sadly, we unfortunately a bit I am a bit worrying because fair am Europeans no. It may be say a bit take more 10 years and sana wait me in your British citizenship no. But I don't know me check no. And ti uwo be a manontie na anya so benya second hand information. Sa ehono the 2016 regulation I no ye free the Citizens Directive 38 no. And the emphasis say free movement no. Oh yeah, there were 4 main areas of rights. There were right of admission, and there were right of extended residence, and there were right of permanent residence, ana ebiom yewo another right merefi ba meka some rights ni nyina no the only right who prove say we adwuma a right of admission. So we extended right of residence I will say who prove say why adwuma wo ha na nipa na ugina ne so no why adwuma under the old style. So we kwaje permanent residence I will say who prove say who EU ni no why adwuma and I said for 5 years and I said nipa na ugina wo so ugina EU ni no so say ye wo yere wo ba wo ma me wo nana ube prove say why adwuma na se wentimi improve sa na ekoso problem na che say yemfa mawo to be ho ankrofo bebre wo ho a omo application no omo refuse you because you say omo anya adwuma. However, since last year the EUSS no buy no yenhwe adwuma although say EU ni no ana wo a wo ye ne abusuani na wo ye application no sometimes no you bisa wo NI number no nyese ye de kohwese wa ye adwuma NI number no kohwese aye watna ha into the emphasis under the current law no ebewu no na kwan ebe use no from January next year no old one ebe yiwu no sa law no emphasis aye de ma wasetena no aye residence enti whereas baako no aye treaty right aye adwuma sukuko with insurance usika wudi with insurance no current one no we adwuma unya adwuma uyi yinu ye adwuma onya adwuma oje benefit onje benefit okọ school oni insurance okọ school o insurance owoni sika odi oni insurance owoni sika odi o insurance o me de inform ho ade o mu hia ne se enne ye aye kasai o wa ha nti ama 5 years ana se watena ha 5 years nti watimi approve se watena ha 5 years wo de o na na kire nti ama almost say saade no yenhwe se wa ye adwuma enti yenhwe se wa ye adwuma no daachi bia no mo amowo EUSS either limited leave to remain indefinite leave to remain mo ko apply for British citizenship omo nya sure se we ye EU ni a we ye adwuma ana se we ye EU ni abusuani a na EU ni no ko school na or medical insurance anasa onko school onya adwuma but when sika odia or medical insurance enti we your application na ye be bisa say nipa na wugina na so as EU ni no oye adwuma ana oye adwuma for proof bra for 5 years wanya adwuma then oye so a person of independent means and a self-sufficient person. No insurance for 5 years. Now so insurance for bank statement now or a self-sufficient for 5 years. When sadly no ombe treat you says 5 years now what the atna what na illegally because one na in accordance with the law. In the nationality section 6.1 and section 6.2 kase I was say what na lawfully no because we EU ni no under EUSS yenhwe say oye adwuma but still ya de ma no se si aye hu say wanya adwuma ana say uni proof cheche say EU ni na wugina ne so no ye adwuma no the requirements are what na lawfully no wo meet sa requirement no Manyeti, a sad situation. Obekaya about 5 years ago, no more introduce our character requirement. First, no nationality, no criminal convictions in 𝐚𝐭. But it's the character beka. Character, no part of the character requirement is when breaching immigration rules. Susuye, and I have a serious problem with them. And when I say I do have a serious problem with them, first of all, you name him said under your immigration rules, no. So obi meet requirements ye mano asetna. EUSS no. Ohwe paragraph 11 I can permanent residence. Ohwe paragraph 3 I can limited leave to remain. Emphasis be anywhere just say was so here adwuma. Enti the reference to say what na lawfully no in accordance with their law no. The reference point of lawfully no EUSS. Under EUSS, question is say, will I comply with EUSS now? And my argument is yes, because the emphasis is not whether I say EU Nina Yejuma. The emphasis is say what naha 5 years. So what naha and we are Juma, we are benefit to Uko school. Nobody cares about that. I do muhiana say what naha. And going forward, unfortunately, it will mean say EU4 no new mabusia 4 no dodona from January next year my nationality application I mean kasi be refuse more but I be more complex enti mo your application I was somewhere very proactive ade I make us money proactive ye mbisa okra yima enti so we your application na EU ni na ya adwuma sesa documents ni nyina eka ho se wo jai EU ni no nso ana wunya retention of right na wo wa ya adwuma sesa wa adwuma no ka ho se wo ye ba ena eja proof a kire se na we are dependent of EU ni no fa ni nyina ka ho na ye nya no to say first na ye EU application ye fill it from EE no ye the documents ka ho sadly nationality applications sana ebeye and what I seen is there a lot of delay beba so we EU needs to see over time me apply for permanent residency here there's nothing wrong with it because the difference between the EUSS and the permanent residence under the old style under page 17 of the character I think page 23 of the character requirements under immigration almost say so permanent residence assume say ansa na yema permanent residence na yahwe say EU ni no ye adwuma and now you're a qualified person and also exercise treaty right however so we obi a we need permanent residence but we indefinite leave to remain under EUSS na yade ma ono yanhwe say EU ni no ye adwuma enti no be your nationality because of requirements what na lawfully both the residential requirement and the character requirement say won't breach immigration rules because there are two requirements one under the residential requirement under sex 1 another residential requirement under 6.2 and then again under schedule 1 there is what we called the character requirement I say won't breach immigration rules. Both betcha one to know lawfully. That is the assumption. And into Yamao EUSS no. A biome one to know lawfully. Not say we breach immigration rules. But you see, this is where I have a problem with them. Antimanyati, this is where we are. And sadly for Yenianum Dodona again more suffer unnecessarily because omo drafted law and law per se but guidance notes overreach omo hand they can so be overreach here just say what asem no asem way eventually ebeko high court under judicial review because you refuse to nationality only right of appeal obetimi ebisa for reconsideration but on the pure basis say omo use omo guidance notes they refuse to guidance notes a guidance a manual dema case workers say almost show case ready although say case law say guidance notes in effect has become part of the rules but I'm saying say in the interpretation say ana kind 2 years ago say omoka said Zambrano for obeye Zambrano I just say we FLRFP they refuse to the first people like I say totally wrong, not in accordance with the law. Lawyers be breakers, we told them no, wrong. It's the same way America say, guidance notes, again is wrong. I know, sir, in the next year or so, I be call high court. I'm a high court at Boegu. But me bomo koko. Se wunim se wu EU ni no onye adwuma ana wo de koje wo indefinite leave na. The old adwuma awaye nyina no. For inland revenue, and as a HM revenue and customs. Now, omonye copies and mrel. Now we have nationality. Now what they are called. My member topic nankasa. Manyati, day a friend of conduct and our character.
Okay.
And a criminal conduct. under your immigration rules no yenim se niema bi wo ho a wo ya ebetia saa so na under your nationality rules no yenim se wo ya niema bi a ebetia sadly no immigration rules no list niema na wo ya ebetia no omo friend suitability test but unfortunately no under the nationality rules no omo list hwe enti so point of assessment no the 1981 Act na omo amend no na unhu bibi a ya twere ho enti ubi sa ho se na lawyer my hello ihwi ni ho unhu wo ho ukọ even nationality guidance notes na omo mention it briefly ade a emma wo hu ni yie the nationality guidance notes purely on the assessment of character enti ebi ni saying there are about 5 broad areas a bit me affected with nationality. One, financial standing. Financial standing, no, usually obi a wire bankrupt, no. You bet me a refusal. I mean, cause you be refusal. Almost you bet me a refusal. Bankruptcy, day. Bankruptcy, yes, obi a what the car na wintimintia. Now one nipa no entimi amma arrangement. Na we da say wa file and now more file bankruptcy. Na ye de wa court. Na declare bankrupt. Na omo fa trustees in bankruptcy. Na omo no run with financial affairs. Emphasis ne say mo ye pesa mo ye British no. Ye pe omo suban eye papa. Enti se wentimi anhwe wo niema so yie. Now I a bankrupt, you find say with the subai. Ebiom, you say significant debt. The emphasis no a significant debt. Na wuntia. Enti debt ne say wakoji loan ewo bank na wuntia. Obi wo ho a waji loan miensa enan enum ontia onye attempt bia nso so obetia. San crofone nyina no say what was significant data? Omo define significant. Omo amount. But obia odeka ontua no. Uhu a wobehu. Na red letters dini fie akoniaba. Ya twe na ntwe. Ono nso a oma omu se oye nhyehyɛ. Ebiom notoriety. Ghana no yakaso be notorious. Sometimes word you use man you saw you popular. Mr. Honya popularity in America. Make notoriety. So obi a notorious yes we community no we are notorious. Usuban nye and when we akom actually why not noise abatement order why asbo oba way and now we say, even internet is so crown, who didn't crop for atom. We will be a sabe, what someone yet. Affiliation to gang, and also to me how. And to more manu subino, and moya gang can in the mano, yet to me, that they have nationality. And now, sir, Obia, sabe, what bribe, Mr. Ramo politicians and contractors and more Ghana. No. So what you bribe or Ghana ne a bad newspaper more. Obi who wa no report to her, and our British Sabino, a crowd who say what you bribe or Ghana. And ya crowd who could you bribe or Ghana. How you who are so nationality no, it may refuse no. Timo more ya bribe no munyai. After so politically exposed persons, omo politicians and omo di politics mo, and omo busiafo and omo political position. So sikabi eba do side na wentimi ankyerɛkyerɛ mu a etimi lead to be your friend money laundering processes ana sɛ wo mu no wakoyɛ bɔne bi na proceeds of crime wakɔfa sika watɔn ade bi wentua wo tax ne nyinaa ka financial dealings na America no wodi inland revenue ka wentua wo tax wentua. And I say, why apply for benefit? Where control? Why apply for council tax? What do boyfriend to? What do you say we a single person? The amount of single persons discount 25% and 75%. What could you benefit? You know, When you boy na te ana wo ba wadi 18 or to obi oye adwuma wo se won kwa na wote nti wakɔgye benefit no or household income when declaring nyina although say yemfa won court no but omu hu a omutimi use against you. They are very clear a obi anim no a criminal conviction. Now criminal conviction no there were 4 types of threshold are etimi affected. One, obi a yɛde to prison for 4 years or more. And no hwɛ yɛmma nationality no yɛmma obio mu da. So you're convicted either ɛwɔ UK and now outside the UK to imprisonment and our custody for 4 years or more. Nationality no yɛmfa mma da. So you're convicted between 12 months and 4 years. 15 years and so I am out British nationality. You're convicted between 12 months and 4 years. It will take you 15 years. So you're convicted between 0 now prison 0 no maybe in weeks, months up to 12 months. 10 years. Mr. Obia ya convicted ubia ya mao conviction our court. Menka conviction bia bimuntiasi may explain it, criminal conviction. But ya convicted our court for any criminal conduct. Now instead say yabe mao custodial sentence no. Ya mao non-custodial just a one prison. And no 3 years. Offenses be or although say a non-custodial no, still no, ye fan of say a serious offense, and also a 15 years. Although say a non-custodial and can say 3 years. Ebini say offense a cause of harm, stabbing, aggravated battery, and a grievous bodily harm. Ebini says sexual offense, rape, and a oya nkola yakayakade near the within akoto sex offenders list. More offense no ye so serious. Sir, yeah mamo nationality. I just say what several sentence no edi sa threshold period no. And mama 4 threshold custody sentencing threshold. There will be so your friend on non-custodial sentences dealt with otherwise than in accordance with the court processes. It be a fine. Fine be a amount council tax went to ya do come magistrate court you fine out. A civil but a penalty you final. Went to ya with TV license and also to me do court you final. Sometimes you're convicted be a traffic offense near prosecute you. Be a driving not in accordance and I drink drive you do work court you prosecute you you final. Menka penalty and a menka fixed penalties. Menka fine. Enti what park your car or on your mouth fixed penalty. Asema make won't come. What could speed? Not your mouth fixed penalty. Asema make won't come. However, so what be a persistent offender? It may do come. San sooner more. Mobile chromo ha manfa kwan paso. Say we are nationality I was watching her lawfully for 10 years. Near my nyina no dear any criminal offense are within anchor criminal records no. Abino with discretion. And tis a way our application no. Now my binding a deporting a wa boom. I need to know overstay. I dear almost say overstay, maybe away, Juma. But what to me prove from so overstay, dear. ba wanyɛ adwuma na wukun bi na hwɛ wo wompena bi na hwɛ wo asɔre bi na hwɛ wo mosque bi na hwɛ wo ɔdamfo bi na hwɛ wo a wotumi ɛyɛ request for special discretion ama ɔmo case workers no guidance notes no ma ɔmo discretionary power enti all those say yes mo ama overstay no 10 years from date a wobɛyɛ lawful no wobɛtumi abisa for discretion. Finally no ade a mepɛ sɛ obiara hyɛ ne nso no sɛ woyɛ wo application ne yɛbisa wo biribi na wotwa ntorɔ ɛno nso tumi affect wo. Nipa no a ɔyɛ referee ama wo no sɛ referee no ɔkɔtwa ntorɔ a ɔno referee no daakye biara do ne nationality so a ɔno nso koraa wɔ asɛm. Finally no moma yɛn nyinaa yɛnhyɛ ne nso sɛ nationality no ɛnyɛ right ɛyɛ discretion. Sɛ woyɛ pani over 18 now we apply for nationality under section 6 of the British Nationality Act. Ɛnyɛ ɛhyɛ sɛ awɔ sɛ aban no de ma wo. Ɛnte sɛ woyɛ application under the immigration rules a womiti rule no a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde ma wo no. Wei womiti rule no a wohwɛ a woreadi section 6 no a discretion wɔ hɔ. Ɛte sɛ yɛmma no a ɔmatena ha a ɔmadi 10 years no section 314 no registration no so yɛ discretion. However, yɛmma no a yɛwɔ ɔmo a ne yɛni bi asese a yɛnya bi under section 13 no ɛno yɛ right ana yɛmma no a yɛwɔ ɔmo wɔ ha no under section 1 no ɛno nso yɛ right ɛno no aban no ntumi nka sɛ memfa ma womiti rules na wɔ sɛ ɔde ma wo. Wei nyinaa no yɛtwa ne tɔfa ɛka sɛ British nationality rules no a very complex area of law. Na wokɔka biribi na wanka ne yie a yɛtumi use against wo. Sɛ yɛka sɛ report to immigration na wobɛyɛ absconder na wan report to a under immigration requirement no yɛtumi use against wo. Sɛ woyɛ obi na aban de wode aban akɔ court judicial review na walusu case no na court no ama wo fine anaa cost £300 400 na tua na wantua a now feel say what we bugger until be intimate. Yes, so intimate, but we have a nationality application. Some be refusal. So what the NHS cap 500 and above now went to ya and also almost say omitime use against war for nationality. And by and by no or him me worried about EU4 now your application under EUSS no. Aban sɛ woyɛ under EUSS a yɛanhwɛ sɛ EU no yɛ adwuma anaa wowɔ yɛ adwuma enti yɛde maa wo a ɔdɔ sɛ yɛde ama wo no wasetena no ɛbɛtumi aka sɛ woyɛ unlawful and under section 6.1 no ɛne schedule 1 no won't qualify agye sɛ wadi 10 years enti mekaa sɛ EU4 ɛne ɔmo busua bɛtumi adi 10 years no under the 10-year character requirement na deɛ nti a meka saa no ɛyɛ EUSS adeɛ a wɔde ba last year no adeɛ a ɛde abɛka processes no nti meda mo ase sɛ biribi wɔ hɔ a wobɛbisa me a mayɛ kra do
asɛm ɛmo ɔdɛm awerɛho I think I'm getting feedback here maybe Uncle Ben senior wacheche me gidi say for ate aseɛ na yiyufoɔ deɛ ne deɛ ye asɛm o sɛ wonim na wakwakoye na afi deɛ yɛse wanyɛ adwuma abrawo so nim pefe sɛ wayɛ adwuma no ebe ha adwe nti no yiyufoɔ deɛ ne deɛ Uncle Ben sɛ senia nhyehyɛ ne tie no yɛbɛsa pɛkwan akyerɛkyerɛ mu because ɛbɛwe nkrɔfoɔ bebree yɛmfa ne sɛ woyɛ dependent ɛwɔ yiyu ni woyɛ dependent na wonim so sɛ nipa kwa depend on ɔno a wode nya wɔ nkrataa no ɔyɛ adwuma kakra especially mo a ɔmo yɛ adwuma 3 years pɛ na afedeɛ awaregyae akɔba ene ade na wo na ɔsɛ wo akɔtoa so na afei wayɛ nhyehyɛ na wo de nya wo de no ɛba ne sɛ obi saa fall such a victim saa 3 years pena ni nipa kwa ware no na ɔno ne yiyu ne no ɔyɛ adwuma mbia just 3 years pɛ no ɛno nso betumi a affect no nipa kwa ɔno sesi ɔno wate ne ho ma yɛ divorce wayɛ adwuma normal ansa na okwa akwaji permanent residence no oje ye no so aye adwuma na ode akonya indefinite no so asisi asa settled status yi aba no na so no mbia wetwa 1 year no si okwa akoye nationality a anke ben sa 3 years adwuma na ni kunu ana ne yere ne ye no ebetumi affect ni nationality na.
Well, yes. Now, this is where BWF Yeni Abre was at the issue. Because Manyeti, can you imagine, sir, when you're indefinite leave? Any JNT, Bibia and how I dream. But so, Nyansa said that she be our British citizenship. Mr. J 3 years a Jumanu Guho. Obi a wire retention of right under regulation 10 old style and now under the new regulation either 11 permanent residents and I said 3 no sa shisheni nyina no awasa wunya evidence at the tour we have application no for EUSS we hear evidence adia we hear na se matena ha. But so we buy a British nationality a year down the line, 2 years down the line, 1 month down the line, because we could have indefinite leave under EUSS. No. So Bemani Ejuma 3 years, Ube here start 3 years. No. And I was 2 years now, why Ejuma Sosono, Usube here. Udi Nina Kahona, we are nationality. Now we didn't akoma. Now, anything I make said I was here starting here very proactive. Asama Amaken, sa 2 are a residential requirement and a residence requirement under 6. And a good character under Shadow 1. No. Good character, no, lawful residence, a good character. Ain't he? So when to me and show some Bema no ye 3 years now, why 2 years as so. On the phone is 1 tanaha lawfully. Or being so 1 tanaha lawfully, no, under the immigration requirements, no, and also F affect good character, no. All ube here say ubenya evidence, no. Whereas permanent residence, we have nationality, ubi and bisa say prove say EU nini eduma. Because I never more permanent residence, no. Home Office for na ye assessment. Who say EU ni na ye adwuma and our ye adwuma ni bi and our why be asoso because of BB a friend of retention of right. Either say we muja aware and also fi kromo. Ain't the game is evidence from now onwards. No? EU for na yama mo indefinite leave. No? More permanent residence and more indefinite. No? More more nationality application. More use more permanent residence and 𝐻𝐿𝐴. No more who say, "Can be a betray mono." Yamamo indefinite permanent residence. Ain't see yamao permanent residence. Actually, so all my assessment that comply with the law. But more indefinite leave and 1 permanent residence. No. So we have application now for evidence ni na say EU ni no or society treaty right normally never ye adwuma. So no your student I was somebody insurance 𝐻𝐿𝐴 a cover me through the period I know your insurance. Men kase mamo nye EUSS no because see aka 2 months I hear kwa fie wie okoye permanent residence application. Yes, I within time. It's possible, sir, ubitimi anya before the end of the time. However, the American say, and this first now would you EUSS I know what to mother or baby. I was say evidence no a good now what nationality now what the account and this idea I just was trying for 10 years from date now ubenya lawful residence no and it may be say lawful residence no and yet or residence card I had them for 5 years no. And our limited leave at the mouth for 5 years. No? It may be so 10 years, no, quiet time, I will move, which is why unfortunately, no, that is what it is until Sebeko High Court. And I'm a regime, Musa Court, no, Ebe Boyko.
Wow. And you for the center and I just say omo de bebrebe egu omo so nyina so na omo asan ba betwa can say nationality rule nso e de aka ho ansa na omo betumi aye enya omo citizenship as British, you know.
Absolutely. EU for no, it seems Brexit for no. Say omonya nema easy.
Okay.
Now the rule no, your lawyers your rule no say you be kon ajemo. I'm not saying say mamonya application. There may you can say ukra indefinite leave unya no through EUSS. We have a nationality application. Mesrao for evidence na kyerɛ sɛ EU ni no yɛ adwuma. Mesrao anya wo. Ana nkola na moyɛ over 21 no. So lawyer bia ka kyerɛ wo sɛ fa wo adwuma kɔ kyerɛ mesrao manyɛ. Because what the wo adwuma kɔ kyerɛ as part of nkola a modi 21 part of the requirement is that we are dependent. Tis a what the adwuma wa yɛ kɔ kyerɛ then I kyerɛ sɛ we depending on wo papa. Manyati, I was saying taking Saudi way seriously because the man be brave. Already 21 omo papa na omo mami ti na omo wa no. Ebi omo papa worry EU ni and omo mami worry EU. There is a requirement say omo ye dependent on the EU ni. So when you dependent na we ye adwuma. EUSS no mutime de maw. But so wo koye wo nationality. Na ebisa o say bunchira de kyerɛ sɛ EU ni na yɛ adwuma na wo kɔ sɛ wo pay slips kwa.
Adeayo
because one kyerɛ sɛ why dependent and it's going to be very complex. Me kano ene sɛ na bɛyɛ mo bɛ start age documents no. Wo pɛ sɛ obi wo pɛ sɛ o show sɛ obi ayɛ adwuma. Na wa yira P60s ne pay slips na and bank statements. Na menya worried. Wo betimi ayɛ subject access request. Our HM Revenue and Customs. Oko online, our form, our befele. On the brown letter, I bet you EU Nino, a Juma Wayina. So we would the date of birth, the ID copy, and a national insurance number. Or none of us a year request, and I say, or my lawyer, and our accountant, authority, not accountant at the ESR request.
Yo, Uncle Ben, in some Dawson. Yada say, yabekwa homane so na yenhwe se tie for omonso mo won semsem ebisa wo saade we ho. Ebetumi abane se embia wasem no ebefa topic ho. Nso betumi nso abane se wasem no emfa topic na embo hu kra. Question bia wo pese obisa Uncle Ben wa ha. Obeyi wa no pepepe obeyi wa no. Enti enadwumedie na mesaye di dwuma no ensesaye. My voice will form kakra and sisaye eno ano no 0203-735-8820 and I say 0203-286-0185 na ye were 2 WhatsApp lines nso a ye didi dwuma no mesrɛ wo obetumi afrɛ WhatsApp line nso ebia obetumi afrɛ ebia wo outside the country na obetumi afrɛ kwan da ho na mmom sɛ wo frɛ na ayembia mentumi amfa na sɛ ba ne sɛ ubegya voicemail a ɛno de mesrɛ wo enja voicemail because mentumi embo eno ma but obetumi eja voice note ɛwɔ WhatsApp so voice note ne sɛ wakasa ɛwɔ so na metumi etie enti no eno no enhyehyɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ na numbers ne yɛ 077-879-39958 and a second one is 075-966-20514 sorry 154 entino obetumi na wafre yenya ofrefo ewo ahomane so menhwe se metenenka na waye first calling very good morning mpacho wa onama ending 8969 so wotemenka me ma good morning
68
mpacho wotemenka good morning wotemenka
good morning Uncle Ben mpacho my
Uncle Ben mpacho wotenenka
metenenka ya
okay mama mpacho peja voice kakra mama why
me person busa Uncle Ben say my naturalization Na o mama me app no se me IDV no. My metieska. Na me in August no. Me email and one say me say your application has been submitted, but me email minti wo munka. Inti me fa champe bisa Uncle Ben say. No me ye na say yes, I'm trying to say how you kakra before I show.
We are done who said I was we used to UKID,
Mpacho Uncle Ben bisa say we are done now who say so use UKID, no.
Almost send them.
And you almost
IDV, almost send on my link. Me no my link.
Mpacho, hold on. Uncle Ben pass bisa question ibio.
And I'm sending me sending me documents in your name.
Okay, mama tie me mpacho almost send no link no e wo hemfa.
Me email.
We email, okay.
So ono asesi awaka se wanya email. And so almost send no link. Which means Anissa we are worried. Omunim say why application. Come here meti wa menya application. Obi answer na me link.
Enti Uncle Ben nka.
Send no link no. Match as omo say why application. Process na no ano no. Enti men die bubu. Why?
Yo, Uncle Ben patre say senior almost send no link eba wa email mo no. Nya botre omunim say why application. And just keep on checking your email on no. Why?
If I show you.
Yo, me das.
Pa.
Me so me das.
Right.
Yo, Pacho, what landline so when I do so. Your friend say now kasa free.
Oh, hello.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning, madam. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Pacho from Felix, me Freddie Wells. Uncle Ben, me Pacho, Susiana me tia about we have an intro no about criminal offense. So we are British
nationality now.
Nationality, yeah. Uncle Ben, me Pacho, somewhere 2010 January in Obidi ne wind mirror have a ball me wind mirror in a crash here into say exchange insurance details and brony no ebufu ye no koye na okoye no report terms and na yere ye asra ni wa police into okor report to chere no and but unfortunately na me fa family nkola ni into madwen amba so say ne nso ebufu you know ofi sin mu na me no try to exchange details no. Okay, now it's a bit racial anyway. Be a mistake. On that spot, like I say, may call the local police station. So may call a report about the incident. But I did change, not may call report here. What they call like court and they frame. No, okay, can't send be brave. Magistrate court on the book we say and no correct. But the only thing against me is my report to within the time limit SME report into my fine of I think £100. No more my 3 points on my license. So but in this case, Uncle Ben me Yemen nationality now since January 2010 me assume some Yemen nationality next year will it affect me?
Oja meka criminal conviction threshold. Okay, we no anya criminal conviction. A fine. Fine no a non-custodial sentence. And as sorry, fine a follow under non-custodial sentence or cases dealt with other than in accordance with the criminal code, and as Police and Criminal Act. Failing to exchange details at the scene of accident and failing to report to the police, say a basana, where am I exchanging details now? A traffic offense. because you fine or magistrate court. Bear in mind, the magistrate court no, almost deal with civil enforcement, TV license non-payment and council tax non-payment, including motor traffic offences.
Right.
And because you fine or no, under the 3-year threshold.
Okay.
Who are a non-custodial conviction. It is a non-custodial conviction and a sentence. Although technically and call criminal records on Kenya crime there, but we have guidance notes now. Because you are fine or no, I are part of the punishment into 3 years. Into 2000 and almost fine or 2010, you know, it will 2013. Now, just to be on the safer side, you know, we have application I will say we declare. Although say a criminal conviction, no, the BFA character who be it affect our character, and this is part of it. Of failing to report to the police or exchange insurance at the scene of an accident, you know, it goes to your character. I will say we declare. Nanka was say me catch say only Northern Ireland, Anna Section 4 of ROA 1974 apply. ROA is Rehabilitation of Offenders Act of 1974. Section 4 no can spent conviction. Into conviction be a spenter. So England and Wales I will say declare. Scotland almost different. Northern Ireland Anna Section 4 no affected. Into Northern Ireland now was spent conviction, and he said would declare. But anywhere else, you know, so was spent conviction, I will say would declare. To say, conviction be now ferry will be declare. Cotton Northern Ireland, now for your application. Almost my application for Northern Ireland, and a wunya said on the declare. But Rehabilitation of Offenders Act, Section 4, no, it doesn't apply in immigration rules, neither does it apply in nationality rules. And you're hearing still, no, I will say we declare, but we need problem. I spent NT. I affect her. Why?
Oh, the artist, and yes, what here, sanity. Oh, shan't never how a bomodiana for common lawyers, so senior bar, and who teach him Macacra, Casafo, or more home on Medi was 7 at the amount. Pacho, wow, number and no friend was supplying so. Pacho, your frau send out Casa free. Hello, Pacho, what's up plan so?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Your frau send out Casa free, Papa.
Pacho, from George, na me Casa free London.
Okay, pay your voice, Mama. Why? Uncle Ben, Pacho,
Uncle Ben.
Okay. Okay.
Say, me you Germany na mokoma na me ba aba hanum say no 40 years. And I'm present Uncle Ben say me aje be 5 years and I say I be a man say or me dependent. And secondly so me yesunya permanent residence 2016. And some person me busa say and on I was a messiah upon a year my settlement scheme ni be man and I say that's it and no you okay. It's not my question.
And also Obana I have 40 years.
40 years, aye.
Well, sir, Obana the 40 years wo ye application amana obetimi aye. But was so say and they wo hwe no. Enti ehwe no aye 2 parts. It has all to be na uti ana rent wo money sika. Ana so no na te wo money sika, but uti rent, uti bills, ne sa na ma no wo proof so no na te. Ana wo proof so uti sa na ma no. Because we have EUSS application no manner on Bebisa say on show dependency. And the idea was we use nowadays. Why? The other part no. You no before June next year no. I was say we EUSS no. And into na matumebo ase aka nationality rules never affect mo no. And 1 year illegal. It doesn't matter say our permanent residence and our blue card maybe. from June next year, no, 1 year EU settlement application now. We EU ni ana EU ni ebusiani we illegal. Almost on be deported.
Oh, okay. Pacho, me and Kasa, my EU settlement scheme. My wife, Mona, or permanent resident, and I'm Busa say, or no, never say, me yaman and answer saying.
Yes.
Yes, I was so yamano. So we tear the America, me say, oh, permanent residence, Krana. I was so yeah. Unfortunately, no. I bet you be brave. Miss Ramo, sorry for the name, and body rule. Because minimum crofom work on Tier Ghana radio, on Tier radio, on your TV, on your ending como, on reading newspaper, on internet so. On your hair, I do a yarn so quite Jumano Befi. No, quite sorry. A Juma, a fee, a sorry, a Juma, a fee. On your hair, into the air kind by June. We are EU ni ana EU ni ebusiani e wasa we EUSS no. Wanya obeye illegal ama ye deport on. Ono no nte krada. June me ba bete no manye wo de obete wo radio so se nkrofo be fresh ya twere mo se ye deport on. Manye ti wo de makan fama ke wo mo hwe. Ti misra mo mo amoye EU for no. Momma mo community no nte. Se wo se obia oye EU ni ebusiani no. Or permanent residence, so we need permanent residence. So I was say we have fresh application near my indefinite leave. So we EU near Busiani, EU ni not since last year when your application be a chasa sadi ye cho. So was say we have application. Na mutime de bois.
Okay, madam. Bye.
Yo, bye.
Asamo Uncle Ben Crawford to hosa na entami aba betwem na afedie ombesu say omo face deportation. Menu aba wonama end with 7897 patro wona edu so ye fra wo say na wo kasa free.
Patro mi ebe ma o.
Oh sorry patro you good morning. Dromo ka wo ye ofane bonto yo ten.
Ojogba. Pacho Uncle Ben Pacho ti saying
Yehovah dumo Yehoye.
Pacho person me contribute to kakra na me bisa one question. Me nim say lawyer or 𝐴𝐶𝐚𝐭 can okay. Na me person me contribute to the last scholar any can about 5-6 months ago no. Sorry, I make me because my say you can't settlement scheme to me. Say, me can wa sorry say obia 𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐵. Na bra me start here. I realize say in Ghana community no be plenty that e be a craft and say and found Inti bacho waka saa se mu ama akai me se bacho yenyina ba bia na mu nyina yembo dewu na se na bia se na si wind rush scandal no ebi ansa ambeto yen inti we de asemiya pa se obi atie na yenyina yeto ho anamom. I'll back to my main question no bacho my sister EU national Sweden ni na oba krom wa March second week in March into oba na obeye apply for NI na sa pandemic ba into wanya kwan sisi ya we no so no oma bie no so say ofre NI for na say EU national so no amumie NI ma omo sisi ontumi enye ejuma inti ohun senia onye no they say we started hairdressing awoye na mbisa say obetumi aye no self employed because started be doing hairdressing obetumi self employed na oye no so obetumi the application akwa home office ama ni kron na neti na otumi na atna na any me question madam was
okay we apply for NIBR problems about no be aware of it. And any say no sue kwan. Menim say adwuma no bebre no wo compare omo bisa NI. Enti omo bisa NI na unia omo mfa. Mesra moma anya smart. Obia betimi ama temporary NI number allowed. NI requirement for employment say unia na amaya employer. Employer na wa found on kono na was so temporary number. But omono ntiase EU for problems aye wo omo a nkrofo abuse mo no. This is one of it. Adwumayefo no bebre no ntiase se wuni na ya still wutimi ye adwuma. Enti wo de wo benya se opa tro NI4 no. Wo tro mo a na mo hu se effect enya wo wusuni. Omo reply wa obetimi the letter na ko adwuma na wo hwehwe no. Ama omo hu so obetimi create temporary number ama na wo de aye adwuma. Enti sa na chere say sa ade ama spend time aka bebre say mo amoye EUSS no. We are nationality ebetimi affect why we be affect. Yes, hairdressing self-employment. Ni nyina aye adwuma. Enti obetimi aye although say oye ni EUSS na onhia adwuma. Ade onhia na say owo proof a chere say owa enti oba ha match a ebi owo TV license and insurance letter and utility bill and tenancy agreement. Oye an application obetimi de no akere. Omoma no 5 years now. Otimi ye adwuma. So NI na aka na sana maka otimi from. But employer need to create a temporary number, Emma.
All right. Thank you very, very much, sir.
That's okay.
Sorry, my voice. Yo, yeah, that's it. Uncle Ben, more question be waha. Bisa na yenhwe sini benya mwaye no. I say good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Manyeti. I say, please, my child 2 years and I are facing eviction by next month from a temporary accommodation given to us in May due to COVID-19. I am dependent on my husband of an EU national and fled DV, and based on that, the housing officer said they can't get access to the proof that he has indefinite leave to remain without his consent. We are separated and there is no way if I ask the proof from him, he will give it out. I have 21 days to review the case starting from today. I am currently not in employment because of childcare, but have applied to some jobs vacancies and waiting for feedback. The housing officer said, I am not eligible for assistance because I don't fall between some criteria she gave out for the EU rules. Please, I need immediate legal advice.
Manyati, Adia, ahomka ewo EUSS application is more facing domestic violence, provision will might protect them. And to say we EU dependent now we face domestic violence. Ultimately, saw the year application. And to the first thing is the Omaka said was a man who indefinite leave. Of course, that's not right. Domestic violence is domestic violence. Now, this is where normally no mabebre ethnic relationship, abusive relationship, all those who go through domestic violence. Either so near setna and also of course seeking protection, obelusu na setna. And I say yamane temporary accommodation, I victim. Don't say bema na bedada no. No koba.
Yes.
Now I worse. And to him the first thing is cause Citizens Advice Bureau. No mumboa, o pesa o call Ghana ni lawyer ho. Utimi call lawyer ho na lawyer no boa. But under EUSS, we EU ni now face domestic violence. We are protected. To once our evidence, I was so used to now we accommodation and as settlement. Why?
You obeti Uncle Ben yadasi yanko so say or the atoso na obi frɛ yɛnkɔ yɛwɔ voice notes me nso wɔ ha yɛnti but before that main kind when so dear quickly or say hello Uncle Ben, a friend naturalization application is successful and receive a confirmation letter. And the problem is the Home Office stated that the local authority to finalize the ceremony is closed, so they have not sent the invitation letter. She contacted the local authority and they confirmed open. The scary thing is that the Home Office stated in their decision letter that her circumstance of good character can change before the ceremony, and that could change her status. Please, what can she do since Home Office said the local authority is closed due to the pandemic, but the local authority have confirmed that they have opened for business? She can't wait for the ceremony. Uncle Ben.
Okay, Manyati.
There be also naturalization. No, Misha, so see a friend naturalization application is successful and received a confirmation letter.
Okay. Well, local authority, the omo hand over certificates, after was swear allegiance to UK. Now, Nancy, omo started be virtual. Virtual, and say be on the Zoom.
Yes.
Now say Skype. And the local authority now close to omo bio. And it's a ceremony no quite.
Okay.
Because councils now are very proactive, Omo use virtual.
Yes.
You use virtual the year juma. Besides, so omo betimi aya virtual swear in. Why?
Okay. Now Uncle Ben, now Home Office can say omo close to local authorities say omo ebie. There now so yes. And no so call local authority no mo confirm my Home Office for say omo they are in for business.
Yes, ubetimi atro, especially say who proof for online so maybe
okay.
Ubetimi extra snapshot now the call and now we print it no the PDF now we email amamo and now post amamo so maybe acha so maybe.
Okay, yo, me wo adofo mi no back wo landline so ansa na mobile nti pacho wo landline so when I do so your friend saying now ka se free.
Good morning, my Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Friend 𝐿𝐴. But you maybe sound good then I said 2 questions. Back here say mature IHSC and partner route application for a urine inquiry. Home Office sending me initially I'm going to exempt. Actually, no matter how back say I'm going to exempt because my men qualify for indefinite, which is fine. And inquiries will have 2.5. However, seeing on the buying, that was 1,644. They converted into pounds now, and using Oman, so is it INA currency conversion now? It should have been $1,003, but almost means 1,644. I went ahead and paid, but I made an argument to them, say, based on a more website, for the 2.5, and it should have been £1,000. It's minimum wide, you're more charging me, sir. And they have come back to say, the application attract 2 years, 9 months visa. And based on that calculations now, I'm here right. The person say, is that the policy? Because I know so normally I'm 1 month in Ghana, then they will collect the rest on mobile Hanama. Second question, answer so Omobaha, would they qualify for if a Drew extension now person a fee waiver application would such applicants qualify for that?
Well, first of all, I assume that we are British and I will cry indefinite.
Indefinite.
And I will call for you know Maba. It's part of the rules and say I was we are Juma now we Sika. I'm saying 24,400.
Yeah.
And so Omoba now call fee waiver now walk us up or chero. And Tinamo switch ya 10-year route now. And your advice about some mobile be a fee waiver, okay?
Okay.
The other problem is saying can Colano Kwana or for mobile because and come back under indefinite rules no. Community, but what do you ban account or ban benya limited leave? Tim Colano Subenya limited leave. And intina was a law no say I was say a mom 2.5 years, okay? And Sana was a utia. some person much or 3 months come and it's not a problem. Although say I almost the months need be good so just to allow them to acclimatize. Now but or share your rules now. Decision limited leave to enter as a partner no. 30 months. 12 plus 6, 24 plus 6. Law no anka 33 months. Law no said 30 months. However, minim say omo nyina no mo 3 months come. It's up to you. Sanabaya and delay no. You can pay and deal with it. Time my baby. Why? Okay.
You know, young koyenim, yawo or frefo being so a humane so. Me mano. Unama anyway 3802. Pacha wone do so. I hope say keke niana. Pacha 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴. Hello, Pacha 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴. Oh dear. Oh, tell me. Okay, sorry. Hold on.
Me too.
Neighbor, me increase you when you say 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴.
Me too.
Anke ben Pacha 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿𝐴.
Yes, me too.
Yo, any a keke bisa o question in yanko.
Me chamu ne Uncle Benya. The question is two. First one, the person bisa say, with the nationality, no, does it mean say, Zambrano carers, no, omo years Zambrano, no, more likely say they have to wait for someone accumulate 10 years and say no benya omo British nationality, no. I'm looking at the qualification of Zambrano, no, because usually, no, a parent omo nifia omo ba ye British no more year. That is the first question. And then apart from say Bia, no be no more another way be so cry before movie on to Zambrano. But even cry will be now will move on to Zambrano. Say Niana was in the EU as an because Zambrano no so. In all instances, and they have to wait for the 10 years for nationality. My second question is a quick one. Regarding Ghanaian divorce, no, now Uncle Ben sharing with Wales, no, they no. Number say maybe say worry under the worry under customary rules marriage, we are customary marriage, and after that, local register our court. And after that, worry no egu, but egu you know, why a court there? Because you say more high, some more court, the more court there. But you did not see through it, say, as I say, Mukoye Ghana there, because now Uncle Ben can be said Mukoye Mukugua Warina, under the customary way now. As I said, two families need Omushia now, or something will be there in Sakomo be. So barren ordinance and the back or something like that along that line. And sana, nothing that why negu. The person maybe say 1 year no good no court. Now one see through say yeah the sapuna say the brown and fam brewa. Does it mean say under the customary in the eyes of young Ghanaian customary marriage, you know, you are still married to married and now if you are married, does it mean say if you are say obey man if you na Obama na kware foforo na ofima ne ex-wife no betumi aba back aka say obi pray to the court say consider the right under the customary marriage for the properties no or for the estate no because she's still married to another customary she's still married to the man. But we thank you.
No questions. Unya case work nisana.
This man say, I don't know. Bisa says I'm running for now. Was so much train 10 years ago.
What's the question now? Uncle Ben say, and the first question, I now Bisa says Zambrano for no so much train for 10 years now.
And that person Bisa says Zambrano for no almost year or my own pre-settled status no. Now after 5 years, no more almost indefinite after 5 years, almost settled status now. Does it mean say and nationality, British nationality now? From the day or some calculated from the day Zambrano Keres, some accumulated 10 years from that day, from that time, as to my national, almost my nationality, because I'm thinking about say character aspect, very wrong. In the instance, usually, Zambrano, most of the time, no more British, and then they applied. So it means that they've been here illegally, and I'm telling Bisano.
Okay. Uncle Ben.
Yes, well, Manyati, I mean, first of all, we are Zambrano Kara, I did China say, we're British. And I was and Yamawa Setana. Bear in mind, says Zambrano, you're right. To almost how much my British, to from day to now, Bania British, I was say, kind, the 5-year lawful residence. So prior to that, now we are lawful, we have fine. Prior to that, now we are illegally. Depending on the category of illegality, either say why application that the found out, account. But yes, 10-year route to never apply because most parents now my Zambrano now omo illegally and son omo to be our illegally be an conduct requirement, it includes immigration compliance. So one comply with immigration now, almost to say when do you law so it may affect you. However, so bet me actually because bear in mind, there's no definition of conduct under the 81 Act. Again, in the September guidance notes, Omama caseworkers in discretion to bet me are requested for discretion. Explain this all those who overstay and sana ubenya dab Zambrano. The entire way overstay in 1 year juma, 1 school, 1 year say, 1 year say. Ningina bet me aboa. The second part now talking about divorce. First of all, Ghana two main types, but Bamenya 3 because of religious ceremony under the Islamic law. Law not recognize Islamic marriages. Marriage, your customary law marriage. Your marriage by ordinance. And your marriage under the Islamic rules. Islamic rules, almost route to divorce, I recognize. Almost friend, said Taleko, said and I also your customary rules to divorce and so I recognize. And your court dissolution under the Matrimonial Causes Act. Processing in I valid under Ghanaian law. Under English law, say obi use customary divorce under the Family Law Act of 1986. Your requirement for recognition of foreign divorces. So Nipane habitually resident for UK and I want 12 months or more. It is required, say the divorce, I will say through a court process. The argument is your Ghanaian law recognizes divorces, customary divorces in accordance with customary law, which is megushre, mejao, amount compensation. So process so what they back Kromoha now what 12 months and yet valid. Menoka say lawyers be war, membody, or my instruct me. One of their cases, I may advise you whether such a process is valid and I say valid. Ain't so what court divorce? I have valid Ghana, I have valid Waha. Meaning said Busia be Waha, Okofa Homobaba. Now we go our renewal court. Now we're going to fear. Almost father said Winya Homobaba. Because Yamamra don't see a part of our constitution. Because our constitution under chapter 4, The laws of Ghana includes customary law, usages and practices, and common law, statutes and legislation, court precedents, and then a body of law in Ghana. And the customary law, no. So asantini ba no akofa no, na ye asante custom no. Yesi oba no wu jai na, e wo se wu gu ni hire, na wu pia na tiko a. Na wa ngu ni hire no mbu pia na tiko a. Ebusuafo no timi sama. I can see one day amamre, so I possible, but legally no, we jai in England as some American, we jai oba no enti. When sum na tiko a, are you okay? Ana, Madam Fubeka, I say, Omo Kusum Mobani Tiko Momani Njinawe on your corner baby. And yes, KK, I a very intelligent way of asking the question. But I've seen case laws in Ghana, both at the High Court and the Court of Appeal. Assume etikono and our customary divorce. Your man premium. And we here because within that process, so we had fear na registry marriage and now marriage by ordinance. Now a pure customary marriage. We go our no, which me worry before. But hana dear, go court. Now one could go fear. Still no we go our will be any uniasem.
Part of it, meet you radio, no so now. Why? Meet your radio. Me and I say because retirement, Danny, yeah, mommy, red card in cheese.
We are case now. Falco backyard. Why? Yes, no. Na do now or more short cases no more farm ra. Why? Yeah, that's it. Taking in na that's it. Yeah, nina can eso. Yo, Uncle Ben, bye-bye. Uncle Ben, say, yo, nipa me sana, yemre so aka just 1 minute. Intino. Na me twetwe me kon say ayembia me hu say opinion.
I'm say Facebook for now so start to show mo. Obi bisa question. Pacho. Check. Come me so mo complaining.
Oh, Facebook for mo fan chemi o mo fan chemi. Me share. Okay. Nana meba na contempt tina na ma me ni so ayi ya yo me nko ni mu kakra nana hima support see Mr. Weissman, you're looking great this morning. You mention question back or say can dependent child of EU family member receives benefit in UK here, Uncle Ben?
Okay, well, so we use the word dependent child. It assumes akolano was so depending on EU ni so. Ti say when depending on EU ni so na o depending on aban. Na okojina setena. The issue of dependency no anyhow.
Okay.
Yes, a bit me affect no.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yeah, question back on so but one more line so mama me one is a call off the line. Me sure say opening my no yeah answer Facebook for no quickly answer na next 5 minutes yeah sorry I come. Many are my questions or say welcome Mr. Weissman. Today might be a special since something has changed. Oh, yo, something when they are changing na moshe. Me sure me question we nana hima saponsi. Please, can I qualify for free waiver because I'm not working as I have a special needs? And the question no. Say yes. Uncle Ben, so obey to me with her special needs, no?
Yes. Obey to me.
Me in fact me last call away na yeah money mo na fedia yo mpacho wa na ma end 6922 no o so da e fra say na o kasa free.
Hi my name is Kobe and I'm some Kobe and I'm some question in the line and drop it.
Oh okay.
The follow on question number Uncle Ben is it seems to say so no sen kan me man ko nan kwa kumbenya internet. But let me feel self responsibility number an issue and internet mind and secondly if you say I take section no I'm some more program because on planet they charge me 3,654 or something or convert is almost 2,700. Actually I'm a trouble. and they said so they will review it in 6 weeks. And so if it should be an more reverted the balance. And numbers of explain if there's any advice there how to take them on.
Yeah, I think or issue with almost cost now. You can always raise it. The problem is when you're more year to and for a delay application.
Okay.
Okay, say o issue with it or say o raise it. Into no tie wo radio no mama na yemre aso yedase papa yedase. Na wa landline so me answer na fe min kan last 2 questions na yam come. Patcho wa landline so ye fra say na o kasa frame. Oh. So ononso edia to so sorry Uncle Ben yam koswe we say good morning Uncle Ben. I was given 2.5 leave to remain through my partner and her British son. Can I bring my 16-year son from Ghana? We our Facebook niso.
Yes, Obiawa as a parent biano or Ghana. Now leave whether limited or unlimited, indefinite or further leave to remain. Ultimately, Obebia Eba.
Okay.
Once I will be to me a show, say maintenance requirements, accommodation. So responsibility and so on. And I got any reason,
Yes.
Now we meet our requirements now. Nina will be to me now the aba. Possible.
Okay. Pacho, wow, number ending 9340 no. When me last person we did not swatch it. Your friend said now kasa free.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, your friend me Amma. Me friend free Salisbury.
Okay.
Me Pacho, me person me bisa Uncle Ben say. Me application for indefinite leave to remain. Na me pese ni juna mi kunu a odaso army nimu. Na me pese me bisa Uncle Ben say forms ben na metumi afele. And na afei so me leave to remain ebewu 18 December. Se me application ni sisi a eye too early na se metumi akoso aye ni sisi a.
I must say,
18th December.
October. Yeah, obey me this year. Obey me this year. And the former over failing form set M. Why?
Patcho form then.
Set M.
Settlement marriage.
Me patcho me person me bisa question back.
Okay.
Na obi ka kire me say because say me jina me kunu a that's what army mono. E was say me feel from AF.
From there.
Or see AS.
From here I will feel
because me kunu wa army mo still.
Was settlement.
Initial one.
From the first initial application. Why her form no ready? I bet you. So we application online.
Me patro I.
Yeah, and to share form now. Her form man to be awesome. That one can fill the wrong form because all those are filling in terminal. A bit me are affected. Until you sure say or share form. Why? But spouses because you kuno and you're subject to immigration rules and your finance our settlement. Until our self-fill settlement application. Why?
Me patcho you.
Yeah.
You many about that's it. Yes, yeah, that's it. Say Hannah, you did you median baby. Hey, Uncle Ben, u change post ya obi ehu. Nti ye bisa wonsem. Friday ye local outfit no still wo ho menso eneme wo lecture wo baby nti no or say me suit ne kakra na me de ko enti no yesremo ye da so patronize our local outfit ye local entire shirt ne ntoma no nkechire yo Facebook for ye da mo nyina si na nyame nhira mo Kenneth Kofi Boatin, I say God bless you, God bless Bwf Solicitors, God bless us all. Na internal face. Afenso monkai say ye nuan mo Nigeria no ma e koso no. E kan obi a na kan yen. ɛko bia na aka yɛ Uncle Ben pacho kra ene den na odi beja yɛ ansana
mayeti maame no frɛ no ɔse ne ku no da so amenim ana
pacho ane
odaso wom
ɔse ɔdaso wom nti na obi si on fili AS no
okra British passport ana say okra ame omo no limit no subject to immigration control no
ohone de mantini saa o Uncle Ben to me I request
so amenim because of call for settlement no almost special form almost use so I know you set FAF
okay.
But for the British passport na ni on your subject to ame rules no bet me use set M
okay
yeah but so that's what British amenim okura Ghana passport ame visa na wom say oye exempt and you be use set AF so ni amenim sorry that's what amenim ba okra British passport and you'll be used to set another clarification also.
Okay, and to me about where the me did say utie say why you confused or a trea and you're confused Uncle Ben a cheche mo o kasa name say o me see some of your words no into way but the clarification abani say so kita and ukron were British and I say only British now odaso army na ade a o say wo ye no wa ma clarification why say still a chiro adwen ubetumi afre omo studio line no after programming na we bisa ayembia obi betumi nso achechwo mu ewo honom Uncle Ben em say yem papa openi me still a me twameni me hu no enti no mesrew say ubetumi acheyen just 5 minutes pe na wo de amayen ye last notes ene wo de bejayen na mum me wo question back wa pressurize me say mambo a wanhwa ne obetu bo abo me wodan na echi nti me srew ye ntie voice note quickly na afedie ye free ho anu amayen last message no.
Good morning manye, good morning lawyer me pacho me pese me bisa question kakra pacho so ye fee waiver application e design and fence me pacho say o visa ni ko wo ho na decision ni ma ya den na de be kire adwuma mu fo na watimi ato aso aye adwuma me da ase
Angela pacho papa pacho repeat bi obam
yo
good morning manye, good morning lawyer me pacho me pese me bisa question kakra pacho so ye fee waiver application e design and afenso me pacho say o visa ni ko wo ho na decision ni ma ya den na de be kire adwuma mu fo na watimi ato aso aye adwuma me da ase.
Okay, well I mean first of all no so we fee waiver application and ya minya call obi di 3 weeks yes ya ye bi da man di 2 weeks e bi cry a 1 week because we are no online now I post documents no so we will fee waiver ideally no we nya email and email no we because fee waiver application it is a way application under paragraph 38 of the immigration rules no fee waiver process no is deemed say a part of the application process and we have fee waiver is deemed say your application even though refuse to cry or 10 working days I was over your application and email no the best send no a my reference number obetimi a print e de akire adwuma mu for say why application but obia wo pesa wo ye fee waiver bia no apply in time na ankoye say of passport of visa na ko wo legally no we are covered under 3C we are covered and 38 no so e cover but employers ni bi ho mo tiase anti but or reference number na be by email and na will be used.
Okay, Uncle Ben, say emrena so me so me time na ya ben. Enti we de ebesro wadaroma ene kra e den na be gya yansa na ya sorry so akoto abibi foforo nso so.
Ohima ana de me de be gya no ayes next week Tuesday 27th. IHS yesu hu ekosoro by more than 50%. Sesia 1,000 for 2.5 years to 400 a year. Cost through to £629 for a year. And for 2.5 years, instead of 1,000, no, cost through to 1,520 something. And Timaka, so what of this by December, even January crown, over to me, I application now. Now, what you are the current fee because now we book biometric now. One more time, I bemu kakra. Na say I come na 28 days no unreal, but 28 days no cry wa. Omuntimi refuse your application. And the 27th of this month, which is next week Tuesday, IHS fee no air cost. Tomorrow of this this month, next month. December, even up to January, I would say. But me, I take advantage. No matter the current fee, no my application is here. Both the IHS application and the FLR-FP or FLR-M application. So now one could hear more fee because when we say, me de beto Facebook, I me de advising Crawford. Me we say brofu bi didi matter.
And yes, sir,
helping people to to steal the systems anyway. Always serious. Yeah, boa community. Then you mo grant here. Enti monye na mon save mo ska. That's what I will say today.
Okay, Uncle Benjamin Shrow. Yes, I'm our quiet baby. Metie for mo mobile Facebook ne so no. Mama complain why Miss Remo. Ejuma no unko asa na ya na utu eniwa how to eniwa hana na ma ukon ya yo yada munyina as nyame nhire bibia ne maye madoma mpa mo kire mo do sanso na mo nkoso abibia mo nkire do ni se ya na mo nhye hwe senia ekwe yiyufo de especially could you believe say still nkrofonti say bibidi pre-settled status, any settled status. So, in Crawford, they have no idea what is going on in the system. Minim Crawford P, or mo bisa na mi say into da yabo mo de rofiti January sa want you see maintain she. Enti no, mombo modia, wishia Crawford mienu miense bia, unim say, or ombetumi afoli victima, no atu omofo say, omonko, no monko apply. Omonya nentem wo phone so betumi aye wo phone so na wonsaka enti enye bibia akwantu brofro na wonte ase a wo de afro bia autometro na automakenkan no mboa wo just within 10-20 minutes no gina won chen na wo de fele ebeboa ye nyina in the community ye de say ye nyina sa opportunity ye ansa na mihro ya anka ambaya kwemo inti no mom koswa ne yemboaboa ye nuanom ewo community mu na afenso Saturday eye ochina mamon pepo mutikra mamon ko ba bia ye bo 4:00 sharp ewo Bwf Solicitors legal hour no ewo omo website ne so no ye wo hodin den ochina de be ye dudududu inti no mamon ko ba bia ochina 4:00 to 6 make a time with us at the website na yencheche munyoma eko ni update aba enti no etifo meda munyina ase nyame nhyama nkebe yeda ase nyame ya adoma next week the same time the same place yebesa Asia na ochina nso nyame ya adoma yebehu yebeka se bye bye
yeda ase manyati nyame hwe nyina
amen
bye
bye yo etifo say aha ye de dwumedie na abewie ye say uncle openi ake kakra na nka ye beto aso but on say bibia is on schedule and yes I would love to have stayed for the next 30 minutes dan so no I have to be somewhere exactly 11:30 intino one shana akodidi bibi mo Facebook for yeda say Adolf Jemfi nyame nhyira bebre me kasa me bobo mu din a nanajimai na mehu ana mehu na atra nanajimai na mehu enti yenhwehwe o se we dwane nso ko baabi a na yehu Mary Chocho ko te say Uncle Ben answer o question no enti ye nanahima sapon say Uncle Ben or say Mr. Wiseman you are looking great ye da wase ohima Vicky onu nso bisa question ohima we dey fache me omo contact Bwf Solicitors ho no ombetumi ama omo answer Eric Campo for nyame nhyira o Emmanuel Kwe atakwe faminga boy fiani uyo mingabo lebi na yo aha na ide adwumedi nbesi wanhwa mekasa ma me time aso bye ye chia obi edobia nso asi next week same time same place we'll be here nyame nshiramo.
In London, our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold 𝐧𝐴 quality mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold 𝐧𝐴 quality mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors